think of home, what do you see? A place of peace, a haven of comfort, or a future full of promise? I know a place that delivers all you seek and imagine. This is Arizon Estate, designed with intention, built with precision, and powered by innovation. Located in Eleko community just beside Pan Atlantic University Ibeju-Lekki, Arizon Estate delivers all you need. Either you're looking for a place to call home or an investment to add to your real estate portfolio. Arizon Estate is known for its perfect balance and glow. And just when you think the day has given its best, Arizon Estate unveils its beauty and tranquility at night. Here, day and night doesn't just pass, it gives beautiful and refreshing experience. Arizon Estate enjoys proximity to both government and private investment right here on the Lekki-Epe corridor, a place crafted not just to be lived in but to be experienced. Secure your plot right here at Arizon Estate with the 500 and 300 square meters now selling, and you can start right now with an initial deposit of 3 million naira and spread balance for up to 12 months. Make that decision to join other smart investors that have already keyed into Arizon Estate, because right here life is beautiful always.